These are the steps you need to take to become a software engineer. Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a software engineer? Is it really required to have a degree? What is a bootcamp and is it really worth it? Where do I find a job and do I even need a job, or can I just work as a freelancer? Well, today I'm going to break down the steps, resources and skills you need to kickstart your career in this exciting field. We are covering programming languages, networking, and of course the infamous salary negotiations with realistic salary ranges. But why in the world should you listen to me? Well, hi, I'm Alex, 20-something, senior software engineer. I worked in the Silicon Valley for a while, but now I'm a manager in the software engineering world. But now, let's get started. First, let's define what software engineering is. It's a systematic application of engineering approaches to software development. This means you will be designing, coding, testing and maintaining software to solve real-world problems. Why software engineering? Well, the demand for software engineers is skyrocketing. Whether you are interested in mobile applications, in web development or enterprise software, there is a niche for everyone. Let's come to the first section, the educational pathways. First question, should you be self-taught or do you need a formal education to become a software engineer? Well, how do we get started here? There are a couple of common pathways. And one of them is to pursue a degree in software engineering, computer science or electrical engineering. And a typical bachelor's program will take about 4 years and will cover the essential topics like algorithms, data structures and software design. Yes, you heard me. Design. On the other hand, many successful software engineers are self-taught. With online resources like Codecademy, Free Codecamp and Coursera, you can learn programming at your own pace. This route requires discipline and self-motivation, but can be just as effective. In the end, you have to decide what better fits to you. The formal education is for sure a more conservative way, but also a more safe way to become a software engineer. Also, big companies like FANG are usually requiring formal education. Regardless of your educational path, you will need to learn to program. And here are some programming languages you should consider learning as your first language. First up, we have Python. It's great for beginners and widely used in the fields of web development and data science. I will soon post a video about how to write your first Python script, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. And actually, I have already done a video about how to start a program, which I will link above. Second on the list, we have JavaScript, which is essential for every web development, and especially if you want to become a front-end developer. No hate. Third on the list, we have Java or C#. It's widely used in enterprise software. And as the last one, we have C and C++, which is important for system-level programming, or if you want to program on hardware-related systems. But in my personal opinion, the best way to solidify your knowledge is by projects. Build your portfolio by creating real-world applications. This will showcase your skills to future employers. Once you got some foundational knowledge, make sure to reach out for internships or for freelance projects. These experiences are invaluable. They not only enhance your skills, but also expand your network within the industry. Another excellent way to gain experience is by contributing to open source projects. Please have a look into the description. I will link some of the most interesting GitHub projects in the description below. Platforms like GitHub are perfect for finding projects that you are interested in. This will help you to understand how to work collaboratively with other developers and, of course, improve your coding skills. Okay, let's come to the next section, networking and job search. Networking is crucial in the tech industry. Attend meetups, tech conferences and workshops. And of course, connect with professionals on LinkedIn. You never know when a casual conversation can lead to a job opportunity. Okay, but now let's get very practical. When you are ready to apply for jobs, make sure to tailor your resume and your cover letter for each position. Highlight the projects you had worked on, internships, and your skills. Don't be discouraged by rejections. They are part of the process. I actually made a video about it, why it's so important to fail. If you want to check it out, I have linked it for you above. And then as a next point, I want to mention that you always need to keep learning. Technology is always evolving, and so should you. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy or Udacity offer great courses for professional development. I myself did a nano degree in Udacity, which is called Self-Driving Car Engineer. And I'm happy to work now in this exact field. And of course, another point is to stay updated. Follow tech blogs, listen to tech podcasts, and join online communities to keep up with the latest technology trends. So to recap, whether you're considering the formal route or you're going by the self-taught direction, focus on building your skills with projects and real-world experiences. For example, through internships. Don't forget to network and continue learning throughout your whole career. And if you want to see a day in a life video, what you're expecting at the end of this road, make sure to follow along because I will post a video about it very soon on this channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up that YouTube knows you're interested in content like this. And of course, subscribe for more content and share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Good luck on your journey to become a software engineer. Peace out.
You think that this life's made for a king.